Afternoon, Nebraska fans. Well, it's a beautiful October day out here, 86 degrees. I'm out here by Wilderness Park in Lincoln, getting ready to do a bike ride. It's been a while since I've done this bike ride. Kind of pulled something in my knee a few weeks ago. It's really limited what I can do, but it's such a beautiful day. One of the last nice days of the year, surely. It's getting into October here, so I'm gonna get out right up this way towards Pioneers Park, do a little loop, come back. Got my old Trek bike here, little fitness bike. It's about 10 years old, and I'm just ready to ride. So let's do it. Look who we found on the sidewalk. Little Sneaky. Gotta help him get off to the side here. Yeah, go. Go. Yep, you can do it. Don't want to get run over by a bicyclist, do ya? Oh, there he goes. Whew, what a ride. It was a great night to be out. 85 degrees, autumn's here. It's just wonderful out there. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse and the shot of the snake. I'll have to look up what that snake is and put it on the screen here. So, oh man, it is. People are out in force though tonight. The park was busy. There was an event there. Behind me, there's cars just streaming by to the sports complexes and things. I would have done the sign off outside, but it's so noisy and there's people all over running around. So decided to do it in the car where it's a little quieter. So yeah, anyway, Hope you're having a good October out there. Hope you're getting outside and enjoying this weather. And just remember to take care of Nebraska and let Nebraska take care of you. All right, we'll see you next time.